We're down on the bankful Rio Blanco. It's been bankful for, I don't know, 5 days. And the water level actually moved the pump 3 nights ago. It was all the way up here. So this is our makeshift setup. I got a semi-trash pump, and we're just pumping this muddy water into the system. It's kind of loud, but down here on the floodplain, you really can't hear it when you go up above. So I'll go bring you up top and share you with the progress of filling the ponds. So the pump's running. This is where the plumbing used to be. This was that big trench I had dug right before LeakCon. It's now filled in. And we've been gathering these boulders for security here on the road. And we've just been lining them up here. It's a back-breaking work to move these things. So the pond has been filling for about 5-6 days. I'm not quite certain. As often as we can remember to turn it on. And so I just turned it on, and then the rest is still filling. So this is still filling, and we're sealing as we go. So the water level just gets a little higher each time. These two will be connected today, and I'll do another reseal tonight with the soil flock bentonite, and then hopefully we can get some more flow out over into here as we slowly fill the final section of the pond. And a lot of this clay that's in the river is going to help seal this, along with the soil flock clay polymer, which has clearly sealed this level to 4 feet. It's been holding this level of water. And then at night, it all pours out into the other sections. So it's working slowly, and the system is filling. Beautiful day out here. Holy macaroni. Leah and Mike are gonna be stoked. Take a look. These are 3 fillets, free range, organic, Texas Longhorn, or local beef. I mean, it didn't come more than 20 miles. All organic veggies, procured immediately just moments ago. I got a little bit of Mexican tarragon in there from the garden to infuse a little flavor, and we're cooking on cherry wood and hardwood. So, delicious. Grandma's waiting. Beautiful day here. Subscribe to the channel. I know you're hungry. Comment below. Share this with like-minded individuals. It's dinner time.